Want to wrap gifts like pro? The Japanese gift wrapping trick is taking over the internet. It's easy for beginners and creates stunning results. Let's start by cutting the paper to size. Make sure the paper fully covers the gift, overlapping by 1-2 centimeters on the sides. For the shorter size, the paper should go up as far as the sides and extend by 2-3 centimeters. Now, don't place the gift in the middle. Instead, position it in the bottom left corner. This way, the gift slightly sticks out at the bottom right. Ready for the first fold? Take the bottom left corner, fold it over, and press it flush against the side of the gift. Use adhesive tape to secure it in place. Now, let's work on the next side of the paper. Press the edges inward, tilt the gift upward, and pull the paper tightly over the edge. Secure this side with tape as well. See how the folds align smoothly? Next, adjust the wrapping to ensure no paper sticks out and everything looks clean. For the final touches, press the top flap inward. Fold and align it so it's neat and flush. Secure it with tape, ensuring no edges are loose. Your gift is almost perfectly wrapped. Don't forget to check the corners, press and adjust them so everything looks polished. On the right hand side, press the paper inward, fold the tip upward, and align it neatly. Tape it down, making sure every edge is clean. Now, we just need to finish the top flap. Adjust and fold it until it fits perfectly. Tape it securely, and your gift is now wrapped. The result: a clean, professional look with no awkward folds or loose edges anywhere. If you want to add a decorative touch, grab a ribbon or some festive element. And for the ultimate finishing trick, a simple fork can take your gift wrap to the next level. Want to see how? Watch the video on your screen to learn the perfect bow technique. This method guarantees a stunning presentation, and it's easier than you might think. Your gift now looks flawless, with perfectly aligned edges and a clean, polished finish. Impress your loved ones with this wrapping style and elevate your gift presentation today. For more creative tricks, click the video link and learn the secret to a flawless ribbon bow.